Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Southern Ontario at 11:48 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday, July 19th, 2013. A severe thunderstorm watch is issued for City of Toronto, City of Hamilton, Burlington, Oakville, Halton Hills, Milton, Mississauga, Brampton, Caledon, Vaughan, Richmond Hill, Markham, Newmarket, Georgina, Northern York Region, Pickering, Oshawa, Southern Durham Region, Uxbridge, Beaverton, Northern Durham Region, and Orangeville, Grand Valley, Southern Dufferin County. Environment Canada has issued squall watch for Lake Simcoe at 11:36 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday, July 19th, 2013.
Environnement Canada a mis à jour un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour le sud de l'Ontario à 11h48, heure avancée de l'Est, le vendredi 19 juillet 2013. Une veille d'orage violent est émise pour la ville de Toronto, la ville de Hamilton, Burlington, Oakville, Halton Hills, Milton, Mississauga, Brampton, Caledon, Vaughan, Richmond Hill, Markham, Newmarket, Georgina, région de York, nord, Pickering, Oshawa, région de Durham, sud, Uxbridge, Beaverton, région de Durham, nord, et Orangeville, Grand Valley, comté de Dufferin, sud. Environnement Canada a émis 20 degrés pour Lac Simcoe à 11h36, heure avancée de l'Est, le vendredi 19 juillet 2013.
The Environment Canada forecast issued at 11 a.m. Friday, July 19th for today.